What's up, boys? So, trade recap. So I'm just gonna go over a trade I took during a session on gold. Um, as I said, I don't have a FX Play Premium at the moment, so I'm just using the USD, the free version. If y'all want to purchase any FX Play subscription, just use code SAM15. Y'all are gonna be saving 15% on your subscription. So this trade, I took it like the 22nd of February, and it is really brutal 3-hour break even. So it sucks, but it's part of the game. So I'm just gonna be going over the confluence. So the reasons why I took the trade. So basically, coming to this trading night, I'm just bullish. It's been like, we're this 26th, so it's been a little while since I took this trade, but we've just been trading just in an overall higher time frame uptrend, respecting bullish BA raise and disrespecting bearish. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, we have some eyes here, some 4-hour for value gaps. Now I want to see price fail. So I'm just gonna go over this. Yep. So basically, I'm gonna go price a little bit. So basically here, I love how we're just generating some liquidity like this. I think I took the trade at just a little after 20. So basically, like market opens at 20 or 8 p.m. So I think it was a 5-minute continuation. I can show you all the execution after. So basically here we had a tap into this little 5-minute, I think it was a 2-minute inversion. So basically yeah, that was great. So basically here we had a 2-minute fair value gap. I think I'm just gonna be using those 2 1-minutes because I don't have the 2-minute time frame. So basically here we got a good inversion. I'm gonna show you all the execution. So here, as y'all can see, basically I enter off this rejection, looking for a continuation long. We have like those 3 highs that has been made. So I took this 2-minute inversion. Y'all can see. Maybe I can zoom in. Yeah, right there. At what price? This was like at 5,175. So basically, oh yeah, it's not the same. But I think I did. This is good. So basically, I took long right here. Stop was like right there. I was targeting this. Maybe I had a less generous stop. Yeah, something like that. So basically here, can I just enter this trade already? Estimated loss, I'm gonna risk like 0.5, which is 500. Pretty chill. I don't want to stop, I want to market order. Bang. So my break-even point was basically this 5-minute body. All right, just the start of the wick, because we tap in that wick here, and got a decent rejection, which led us to tap into this 5 minutes and get a good reaction above. So basically this zone showed a little bit of rejection. So my break-even point was basically just this body. I had this body and the wick in mind, but if we're going to reject out of it, like the wick would be untouched. So I didn't really know. I didn't really know. Just I was gonna be adapting to what type of reaction I saw out of those 2 levels. So you can go back. I think, yeah. So that's basically the trade. I just showed y'all the execution. So bang. So I think I went break even here. I don't think it changes anything. So basically at this point, like even if I took the wick as a break even point, which was like I think it was a pretty decent one, I could have used it, but it wouldn't have changed much because like we had this one, but I prefer to use the internal like the first internal high as my break-even point. This was like a intermediate high, this TH, because it's resting into a 5 minute, I think. Yes, this fat 5. So basically I break even right there, and then we started to trade down. Did we have a fuck? No, we didn't have anything. And then, bro, I got break even by like 4 tick, like nothing, man, bro. 1 point, I think. I mean, like, and then basically price went up. It did get a really choppy. It got really choppy. You know it's choppy when you gotta go on the 5 minute type shit. So where's my? Oh, I'm out. Yeah. But basically that was like my take profit, you know. So then I TP hit. So that's basically the trade. So I made about $0. That's pretty unfortunate, but that was a real decent trade. I could have, like, it was pretty much break even. The only way was if I bottom tick the second candle, I would have not gotten break even. At this point, it's just a feel, because I entered as soon as the candle closed. So that's just a feel, but it's unfortunate. But I still think it was a pretty decent trade. So, some little 5 minute continuation. Around here, we tap into this gap too. So yeah, pretty decent one. Respecting this 5, this 5 too. We have no like opposing liquidity basically. So pretty nice, but pretty unfortunate at the same time. I'm still happy with this trade, and I didn't get like emotional after this break even. After that break even, I just got off the charts and journaled. So that's pretty much the trade recap. I hope it's not too long. I'm trying to make them shorter because it's a bit long to watch a 30-minute video. So that's about it. So if y'all have any question on that trade or anything, just let me know on Instagram or Discord. We do code SAM15. Oh, it's above. Like that, if only 15% off FX replay. And yeah, I see y'all in the next trade recap.